Come one, come all. It's the Sunflower Cluster Dog Show. An exciting opportunity to get a look at some rare breeds. But make no mistake about it, you'll have some fun if you let no obstacle get in your way.
Well, I don't know. Do I look like him? I don't believe that at all. I guess some people probably do look like their dogs, but if somebody says I look like a crest, they'd kill me.
I think you look like a crest. You got hair on the top.
Oh, thanks. Just kill me right now.
With natural talents like this standard poodle Tiki here, the Sunflower Cluster Dog Show is a must-see event. Hey, boy. Ha ha. What's his name?
His name's Tucker.
What's going on here?
I'm grooming him up for the group ring.
What's your favorite part about showing Tucker?
Winning, of course.
And after all the cleanup, I took a little walk, said goodbye to some old friends, and decided to take in an art show. Lots of beautiful exhibits from many different exhibitors, but one in particular struck a chord.
Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Come on, sevens! Lucky sevens! Come on, baby! Come on! Yeah!
I'm Jeff Dunbar for Studio B.